Hey, it's Christina and I have these super cool surprises to open. So let's get started. Let's take this one first, and inside this one we have Princess Twilight Sparkle. So cute and a little squishy. Oh, and she will not stand. No. And this one we have Anna, a mystery mini Anna. Super awesome figures, these mystery minis, and she will not stand either. So let's take the blue egg and see. We have Pinkie Pie. And she will not stand either. I cannot get any of them to stand up. Oh, maybe they will now. Yay! Let's take the pink egg. And in here we have Sven. He is so cute. And in this one we have this cute little Zelf sitting down, shiny and little wings, and he has a little yellow lightning, I think maybe it is, on his butt. That is very cute. And sit. Nope. Maybe for a little while. So let's take the last one. And in here we have a minion. We have a minion with funny glasses. So you could put them down or up. So he is super cool looking. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.